blackberries on the last day of October. Usually well gone by now. Well, I've just popped out to the cricket field over the road, literally 30 seconds walk, where I found 800 coins in, this is my 5th season digging on here, although I missed most of last season because, oh dear, because of the weather. And that must be the reason why they're doing this. Whoa, some serious work going on here. There's coins still on the square which have not been dug because I'm not allowed to dig on the playing square. The outfield I've been digging, as I said, for a long time. But look, they've... oh, doing some serious work here. Yeah, that's going to cost them a fortune. Well, so I think that with all this work going on, they're not going to mind me having a dig, are they? Mind you, they never really minded anyway, they're very good. At this point, I'm just going to remind you that I am doing the coin ring giveaways every video in 2019, and you'll be noticing that I'm doing that at the moment too. This that I'm doing at the moment is a trial to see if it's going to work. There's no point in putting all the effort in if no one's interested. But so far, I've got a really good community around me. Excuse me, and they're really enjoying the fact that I'm giving coins away. Now don't mistake, the coins that you see me make on the videos are for customers. They're not the ones I'm giving away. I'm giving away coin rings. In other words, I'll make a silver coin ring. Sometimes that'll be a really nice copper one, and I'll send them to the winner. They're not the rings you see me make for customers. But saying that, if you would like a free coin ring, then all you've got to do is just send me 3 silver coins and I'll send one back to you as a coin ring. People have said to me, well, what coins do I send you? And I said, well, you know, it depends what you want for a coin ring. If you want a shilling coin ring, then send me 3 1 shillings and I'll send one back as a ring and keep the other 2 for my effort. No money involved. But if you'd like to support me in another way, you know, you can become a Patreon, you can get a free coin ring that way. There are a few ways you can get free coin rings. I need to give back to my community of subscribers because they've been really good to me, especially over the last 12 months, in particular the last 6 months, as I'm trying to find a new direction. But speaking of which, new direction, I think I'm going to go that way. Turn the coil on and see if I can find something. Wish me luck. I'll leave the remote box sound on so you can hear what I can hear. 13-inch coil, elliptical. I bust my last spade, so I've got a new one. So off we go. Interesting. There's a very small and faint signal. What I mean by small is the surface area is very small, and faint, I mean it's very faint, but that's common on here. Oh. I'm not sure if that's gone out of the hole or if it's just moved. I don't think it's in the plug. I better check. My knife. Oh dear, I can't find it. I think it's in the plug. It sounds terrible now. Didn't think the probe was working. Oh, hang on. Not a coin. Oh look, it's a really tiny thimble. I don't think I've found a thimble on here before. Can't remember anyway. Well, that's a good first hole. Good. Next, get this blooming hole filled in. It's only about 30 seconds and then I found this one. Initially it sounds okay. Nothing on the video, no numbers at all. That's just in front of the coil there, so let's dig that live. There we go. Wish me luck. I need a silver coin for a coin ring. Now then. It's in the plug. Oh, it's a part of a coin, look. The lawnmower is always doing that to coins. If their surface drops during the game, obviously they're going to be victim of a mower. So sadly that's all we've got here. Never mind. One new penny, just 1 inch down. Never mind, it's a target. Well, so far I've had a new 10p, one of the old new 10p's, 2 1 pennies and a tiny thimble, but I've got a good signal just there. So I'll investigate that one. Sounds alright. Sounds good in fact. Let's see what we can find. Find out where it is first. Very good. Coin. What is it? It's a halfpenny, Britannia, and it's a George V halfpenny. Good, happy with that. Another signal. Not brilliant, but let's try it. Get rid of my halfpenny, put that in there. Haha! Look, it's a bit small for a ring. It's doable. Coin ring giveaway, and you saw me dig it live. I'll give this one away, I think, if it doesn't split. Great stuff. Well, back to normal. Maybe I should give that away as a finger ring instead. Never mind. Wow, I had to go deep for that one. Here we are. Old penny. It was only whispering to me. That's a Victoria. I'm fairly sure of that anyway. But let's have a look how deep that is. My blade is 150mm, 15 centimetres, 6 inches to there, and that's where it was, right at the bottom. So that's 6, 7, 8, at least 9. Wow, good one. You can see Britannia, 18 something 7, 27. No, 1927. Silly me. 1927. That'll do. Now I thought I'd get the camera out with this one because it's not in the hole and it's in the top of the plug. It's showing 63, 65. Yeah, it's at that top corner, left hand corner as you're looking at it. So I want to see what that is, so we can both share it together. Oh, what the hell's that? Oh, it's a bit of pig in lead. Lead always sounds good. Oh well. Well, I used to find a lot of those at one time, but that's the first one for probably 18 months, maybe longer. Nice little military button. Well, that's it. That's my last hole, And what a hole to finish on. My find of the day. Let me have a look at this. I'm going to look it up. I bet it's Victorian. Let's have a look at that. I'll show you again when I get indoors and show you what it looks like when it's cleaned up. But look at that. It's a gaming piece, obviously. That was a cracking signal. Find of the day. So that's my little Victoria. Sixpence, 1877. A little bit worn on that side. Not too bad. And the problem is, if I punch a hole in there, it's not going to fit on there to stretch, because that's almost bigger than the coin. So I'm going to have a problem with that. And that's not going to be very big either. Probably only suitable for a pinky and a small hand, but or maybe a child. But let's get it done so I can give it away. Here's the results of the coin ring winner giveaway from my last video. Well done. To be in with a chance for the next draw, make sure you're a subscriber, leave a thumbs up, and you comment on this video with the hashtag coin ring giveaway. Good luck.